How to set Nvidia as default GPU graphics card on Windows. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how to set your Nvidia as default GPU graphics card on your Windows. So first of all, go to the graphics settings and turn on hardware acceleration. Now go to browse section and select your C drive, and in your program files, you will see all of your exe files, and you select your video editing app and click on options and select high performance. Now right click and select Nvidia Control Panel, click on adjust image settings with preview and select the use the advanced 3D image settings and hit apply. After that, go to your configure surround physics configuration and set the processor to Nvidia GeForce GTX according to your graphics card. Select your graphics card and click on apply. Now just restart and start using your system. This is how to set Nvidia as default GPU graphics card on your Windows. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.